name. Breonna Taylor. Say her name. Breonna Taylor.
The system as a whole has failed her.
Breonna Taylor's relatives speaking out Friday in Louisville, Kentucky. Alongside the family's lawyer, who's calling for the state's Attorney General Daniel Cameron to release transcripts from the grand jury that decided not to charge any of the officers involved in the police shooting death of the 26-year-old black woman in her home during a botched raid back in March.
If you want us to accept the results, then release the transcript.
That's right.
Release the transcript so we can have transparency. And if you did everything that you could do on Breonna's behalf, you shouldn't have any problem whatsoever, Daniel Cameron, to releasing the transcript.
Black Lives Matter demonstrators taking to the streets in Louisville for the second straight night Thursday for mostly peaceful protests. But there were more than 24 arrests. Some violence erupting in other cities in the U.S., including in Los Angeles, where a car drove through a crowd. Everyone appears to be okay. The unrest follows the grand jury decision announced Wednesday that the only charges brought in the case were of wanton endangerment against fired officer Brett Hankinson for shooting into Taylor's neighbor's home. Earlier this month, Taylor's family received a $12 million settlement from the city of Louisville in a wrongful death lawsuit.
I hope you never know the pain of your child being murdered 191 days in a row.
And anticipating more unrest in the coming days, the mayor of Louisville, Kentucky, extending an overnight curfew through the weekend. Melissa Duggan, City News.